Alright guys, Sunday, June 9th, we're less than a month away from the 4th. Gonna do a quick update. 2 boxes so far of Panics. We got a bunch of Big 8s. We got Extreme 16s. We got some Devil 6s from Sky King. They hooked us the fuck up this year. Got an 84 shot. 300 shot Saturn missile, some Salute rockets, some Falcon 1s, heavy hitters. Got some little shit right here. If you know, you know. We got some Rising East, and we got a Dumb Bum Max. It's a little comparison. And we got some cakes, some 500, 200. Got some fountains, these are always fun. And then we got the Veni Vidi Vici 3 set, Sky King, 500 grams, all 21 shot. We got some more 200 grams, these are nice. This is the first update. We still got some more on the way. Like I said, we're a month away. So, yeah. Katana, that wasn't bad. And then this is a 2-minute cake. First year too, we're trying this out for the tubes. Gonna put some cakes in there, 200 and the 500 fit. And then for the rockets, all homemade. This shit goes right in the ground. All right. Stay tuned for the second update.